morning. We made that decision this morning. We didn't know what we were going to do, where the storm is, if it's going to rain all day or what. And it's beautiful now. And we decided we're going to go to Road Town and have fun and hang out there. And this way, when it hits, we'll already be there. And we won't have to sail in the rain and the wind tomorrow morning.
It's supposed to rain all afternoon and I think most of the evening. Well, certainly all afternoon.
There's our dinghy that we lost the plug to yesterday on the way back from Indians. And that was kind of fun. And then they have wooden plugs. And we have one plug in the middle just fine. Campers. Happy boaters. And at Willy Ts it got crazy. Tired. What's the goal? What they do is the woman lays on the bar, and they put whipped cream on her breast and on her belly button and her private area. And then they put cherries there.
Oh, then they put Baileys
after the cherry, right? Or the Bailey.
The Baileys actually in the circle in the belly button.
Oh, okay.
Make a circle out of whipped cream. They put the Baileys in there and then a cherry.
And then the boyfriend or a guy
or a
husband needs to eat it and drink it off.
Right.
And
in front of everybody. Like she's laying on the bar.
Right. And generally they said, I saw the bartenders were putting the whipped cream on, and you're not supposed to put it over the bathing suit. It needs to be on bare skin. So we heard from some of the locals that we got friends with. What were their names? Taz and Just in Time. And they said it gets so crazy. Sometimes everybody's naked, and it's just crazy. And so, they call people over from the locals over as the night goes on, and it's getting crazier and crazier. So we could tell. We were just there by ourselves actually at first, and we had just stopped in after snorkeling just to see, what time's dinner, blah, blah, blah. And of course we never left, which I know that now, that will always happen. So we weren't showered, and all of a sudden, it was almost like 9 o'clock on the dot, it was packed. Wasn't that bizarre how everybody just came out of nowhere? And they were all young. We were the oldest there. Don't you think?
Yeah.
They were all in their 20s, yeah.
There were a few older people there, I think.
Not much, though.
Not much.
I felt old. And they were not, there's a little captain guy from Atlanta, CEO, probably with his dad for a country club, and he chartered a 46-foot cat and invited 10 of his best friends, guys and girls,
to go diving, right?
To go diving for 2 weeks, right? Went it 2 weeks?
Yeah, I think so.
And he was so...
He's been doing that for 6 years, 7 years?
He's been coming down here every year, once a year, for 6 years. And he's just turned 20, he'll be 26 Saturday.
Yeah.
And,
so he's been coming down since 19?
I'm sure his parents were taking him down.
Oh, yeah.
But he seems like such a responsible kid. And he said, he doesn't drink while he's captain. And he said all his friends were drinking, so he really didn't put up the sails. He wants to wait until 2 of them can, help him out and not drink for the day.
He did say he was heading up to Virgin Gorda today, and then he was going to sail down to Jost.
Oh, yeah?
A long sail down to Jost.
Yeah, that's what he wanted to do.
Yeah, and that's when he's going to put up the sails, because he's not going to put up the sails today.
Right.
He's got a motor upwind all day. I don't know if he's left or not.
And he is so cute, saying, "Don't you think they're going to have fun?" It was so important to him for his friends to have a great experience. So that was kind of cute. And at Willy Ts, they also have the shooter board. What's it called? Shoot board? It's like
shot ski.
Shot ski, yeah. Shot ski.
Big long ski with 4 shots in it. 4 people.
Big long glass shots. Yeah. And then you have to all
drink at the same time.
Yeah.
Move the board over.
we didn't do that.
Nah.
No, we didn't do
Could
that.
have.
We were drinking Kool-Aid and water. Iced tea. They don't even have iced tea here.
We did have, what were the painkillers?
Oh yeah, painkillers. That's what's in our drink. All the bartenders make virgin painkillers for us. And they're delicious. What does it have in it? Pineapple and coconut
Yeah.
and pineapple juice?
Let's shake on a little cinnamon or something.
Yeah, or nutmeg or something. Yeah. It's delicious.